Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and I'm gonna go through real quick. I was looking for some memory card readers and I didn't know which one would give me the best performance, best reliability, and the one that I had before was really cheap and it kept disappearing and dropping from the USB port. So I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and get a 5-star rated product on Amazon, and then let me pick up a 5-star rated product from Best Buy, which is this Insignia. So we have SUNTRSI and Insignia, and this is the box for the Insignia if you want to go ahead and look at that and pick it up. This one is USB 3.0, so it's going to give you a fast transfer rate. It's Mac and Windows compatible. Both of these are Mac and Windows compatible. Now the benefit of the SUNTRSI is that you're going to get multiple ports. You're going to get a port for your iPhone, you're going to get a USB-C port for the Android, and then you're also going to get a regular USB port, and then you're going to get a micro USB port, which is another port for the Android, the older Androids. So you have all the ports in one. Now the disadvantage with the SUNTRSI, it is slower. The Insignia is only USB. It doesn't have the multiple ports, but it's the fastest one. I tested it on a PNY Elite, which has a 95 megabyte transfer rate per second, and the Insignia was able to deliver the proper speed, while the SUNTRSI was falling a little below half. And at the end, I'm going to go ahead and post both of the speed tests so you can see the speed tests in real time. I used the Blackmagic Disk app, which you could download free from the App Store if you want to test out the speed of your memory cards, your disk, whatever it is that stores information. And yeah, so we have the Insignia coming in at $20 and the SUNTRSI coming in at around $13 to $15. The SUNTRSI also has more ports. It has the micro, let me see, it looks like it has either another lightning port, but it definitely has SD and micro SD, and the Insignia also has micro SD and SD as well. I tried to get some adapters for the Insignia. As you can see, this is the USB, let that focus a little bit. This is the USB-C adapter, and it has USB 3.0 on the other side. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. And then I tried getting this adapter too. This is the Lightning to USB, right? So basically what I was trying to do is I was trying to turn this into this. So that way I can get rid of this and just keep one and then have everything transfer at full speed. But the Lightning option, which is the iPhone option and the iPad option, it did not even show up. Not even for any of these USB devices or any USB device that I tried. I don't know if this is a defective one or what, but didn't work. The USB-C I had more luck with. It did work. It did show up. But unfortunately, I do not use the Android platform as much as I'd like to. I just found the iPhone or iPad to be a lot more efficient for me as far as transferring between devices and my phone and posting on social media. Whatever phone you use mainly is going to be the adapter that you're going to want to use, because, you know, that's going to be your link between, you know, the real world and social media. Alright guys, so right now we're going to give the SUNTRSI a speed run, and as you can see it is up to 37.67, right, and then read is 41. The SD card is a PNY Elite. It's rated at 95 megs a second, and I am testing this out of the USB 3.0 portion side of the adapter. And now we'll give the Insignia a run. As you can see, it's already more than double the speed. And giving just about that accurate write speed. 93 on the read. Megabytes a second out of the USB 3.0 port. And yep, so night and day difference. So yeah, I ended up keeping both of them. They each have their own use. So for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and use for the cell phone or my devices, and for the Insignia, I'm gonna use mainly to transfer, large amounts of data. If I have a lot of video and I need to just dump all the footage quickly, then the Insignia is gonna be my choice. But that's it for now. Until next time.